how to allow using LED lights on Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to allow using LED lights on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on Setting. Scroll down and click on Notifications, and here you're gonna find allow using LED lights, and you can turn on this option to allow LED lights. And now if you want to turn off this option, just click on it, turn off, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.